Welcome back to Amica Studio, your destination for architecture, home design ideas, and interior design inspiration.
Lakeside rustic living, 3-story log cabin retreat with lofted bedroom amidst lush greenery. The Lakeside Haven, a serene landscape beckons. Nestled amidst a tranquil landscape adorned with towering trees and the gentle embrace of calm waters, a picturesque wooden log cabin stands as a testament to rustic elegance and serene living. Perched by the shore of a serene lake, its stone foundation anchors it firmly to the earth while its 3 stories rise majestically to meet the sky. An inviting welcome, the sprawling wooden deck. As one approaches, the cabin reveals its charm. A sprawling wooden deck wraps around its exterior, offering a sanctuary for moments of quiet contemplation or lively gatherings under the open sky. Here, the scent of pine mingles with the fresh breeze off the water, inviting one to linger and savor the beauty of nature's embrace. A cozy hearth, modern luxury and rustic charm. Stepping inside, the first floor unfolds into a haven of modern luxury infused with rustic allure. A spacious living area beckons with the crackling warmth of a stone fireplace, its flickering flames casting a dance of light and shadow across the room. Large windows frame vistas of lush greenery, blurring the boundaries between indoors and outdoors, while contemporary furnishings harmonize with the natural elements, creating an ambience of comfort and style. Gatherings amidst nature, the dining and kitchen space. Adjacent, the dining and kitchen space exudes a cozy charm of its own. Dark wood dining tables stand ready to host convivial gatherings, while the kitchen boasts modern amenities nestled within wooden cabinets, a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation that speaks to the cabin's timeless appeal. Dusk's embrace, a tranquil evening unfolds. As evening descends, the flickering glow of firelight dances across the walls, casting a warm embrace over the cabin's interior. Outside, the setting sun paints the sky in hues of amber and gold, casting its reflection upon the tranquil waters below. Ascending to tranquility, the upper floors beckon. Ascending to the upper floors, the cabin unfolds new dimensions of comfort and relaxation. The second floor offers a serene retreat, with a seating area bathed in natural light and accented by the verdant panorama beyond. Here, moments of quiet reflection or lively conversation find a welcome sanctuary amidst the beauty of the natural world. A sanctuary of peace, the loft bedroom's aura. Venturing further, the loft bedroom on the third floor unveils a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. Bathed in the soft glow of daylight filtering through a diamond-shaped window, the space exudes an aura of timeless serenity. Crisp linens and vibrant accents invite rest and rejuvenation, while a cozy living area below offers a haven for relaxation and contemplation. Nature's symphony, finding solace in the lakeside cabin. Outside, the wooden deck beckons once more, offering a front-row seat to nature's ever-changing spectacle. Here, the rhythm of the waves lapping against the shore lulls one into a state of profound tranquility, while the rustling of leaves overhead whispers secrets of the forest's ancient wisdom. In the embrace of the lakefront wooden log cabin, time seems to stand still, inviting one to pause, reflect, and savor the simple joys of life amidst the beauty of the natural world. For in this tranquil sanctuary, amidst the towering trees and gentle waters, one finds not merely a place to dwell, but a haven for the soul, a timeless refuge where the spirit finds solace and the heart finds peace.